No matter where we are in the world, innovation is happening around us. Let's take a look at some groundbreaking technologies in development around the globe. Our first stop is in the Netherlands. If you've ever picked up an electric bike, you've probably noticed how heavy it is. The Dutch firm Studio Mom has created the world's first cargo bike powered by a hydrogen hybrid battery. Hydrogen has a higher energy to weight ratio compared to lithium cells, meaning you can get more power from a lighter fuel source. This makes the bike 4.8 kilos lighter than a traditional electric bike. The batteries are manufactured by the hydrogen pioneer firm Lavo, who is manufacturing the bike and producing green hydrogen to power them. One thing's for sure, this certainly won't be the last hydrogen-powered bike we see. Next, we travel to California for a world where dirty laundry is out of sight and laundry baskets are no more. Laundry Jet is the first vacuum-powered laundry chute, meaning you no longer have to navigate the stairs with baskets of dirty laundry. A simple double wave of your hand opens motion-activated wall ports, ready to make laundry disappear. It also works the other way around, delivering clean clothes to a room of your choice, ready for ironing and folding. Who would have thought doing the laundry could be so simple? Our final destination is in Nantes, France, for an innovative way of producing green energy. If you picture a solar power plant, you probably don't imagine it being surrounded by water. That's the premise behind HelioRec's designs, which transforms water spaces into generators of clean energy. Traditional solar panels often take up valuable land that could be used for housing or farming. Now, floating solar panels are making a splash in unused aquatic locations thanks to the company's HydroLock technology. The solar panels are placed on top of floaters where a little water is kept inside the floater, providing additional stability so that the panels are wind and wave resistant. As an added bonus, recycled plastic is used to manufacture the floating system, lowering its carbon footprint and keeping production costs down. In order to fight climate change, we need to increase the amount of renewables we're using, and this is a great start. And that's our wrap of the top innovations from around the world.